Hey Cubers, Guten Tag, good day to you. Today we'll unbox this amazing 40th anniversary 3x3 metallic Rubik's Cube that I recently purchased during my visit to Berlin. Ready? Let's unbox it. Let's open up the box. So it comes with a cube stand. Alright. And let's see if we can pull it out. Okay. Great. So, okay, we can take out the cube from the bottom. So it comes with a plastic cover. Let's see how we can take out the cube. Okay. All right. So there's another layer of plastic that is covering the cube. Okay, let's try to take out the plastic. Use a penknife and see if we can open up the plastic. Got it? So here we have it, the metallic 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Awesome. So this is our metallic puzzle cube. It is a very basic cube and you can't customize it like those big cubes. Let's try it out by doing a solve. First, let's scramble up the cube. Alright, now we will start to solve the cube. Alright, our puzzle cube is solved. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like our videos, please consider to subscribe to our channel and smash that notification bell so you do not miss any of our videos. Alright Cubers, straight to the cube, and we'll see you again in our next video.